In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebook on Gumroad. By the end, you'll have a polished product page ready to share and sell. If you already have your ebook file and a simple cover image ready, you're set. Start by heading to your Gumroad dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Products. This is where all of your current and future items live. Next, select New Product to begin setting up a fresh listing. Give your ebook a clear, compelling name. Use the exact title readers will recognize and consider including a key phrase that describes the problem your book solves. When asked to choose a product type, pick ebook. This tells Gumroad to present the right fields and delivery experience for a digital book. Enter your price next. You can adjust this later, but choose a number that reflects your value and audience. After that, choose the currency that makes the most sense for your primary buyers. Click Next. Customize to start shaping your product page. In the description, explain what your ebook covers, who it's for, and what readers will be able to do after finishing it. Keep paragraphs short, highlight outcomes, and mention any bonuses or resources included. Right below, customize the URL. A short, memorable link that matches your title makes sharing easier and looks more professional. Add a cover image to make the page pop. A high-resolution book-style cover with readable text works best. Then add a thumbnail, ideally a square version that looks great in previews and on smaller screens. In the product info section, fill out any remaining details that help customers understand your offer at a glance, such as a brief summary or relevant tags. Next, click Content. This is the area where your actual digital files will live, along with any extras you might include for your customers. Then move to Receipt. Here you can tailor the message buyers see immediately after purchase and in their confirmation email. A simple thank you and a quick note on what to expect helps reduce support questions and builds goodwill. When everything looks right, click Publish and Continue. Gumroad will take your product live and provide a shareable link. You can return at any time to refine your description, swap images, or adjust pricing based on feedback. That's it, your ebook is ready to sell. Share the link across your website, social channels, and newsletter, and keep iterating as you learn what resonates with your audience.